When you open Fusion, if you look down, there is a small bar what it's right comment there. A lot of people, they don't know what it is. There is a comment on point and comment on object, and also you can capture picture there. And there is an empty space where you can write a comment there. I will show you how to work with this comment tool. If I want to emboss this sketch on this face, if you look at this distance between that angle and that angle, it's 11 millimeter. You can write it down on the comment instead of trying to remember it. If there is a lot of numbers, you can't remember everything. We write space 11. I need to know the circular of the cylinder. So if I click E and I select circular, I can say the length. These kind of numbers, it might be difficult to remember it. Instead of going writing it on the paper to remember that, I can write it down on the comments. That will be much more easier for me. After that, we just need to go rectangle of pattern. Then we just select objects. After that, we select direction. Then the distance, it will be the length minus the space. So we write the length minus space, but it is 11. Then we will add the quantity. Quantity, it will be the length divided on the number of space. The quantity, it can't be like point. So for example, here it will be 21. You can't put 21.27. We just put direct number 21. Then we select. Okay. After that, we will emboss, select all this sketch, and we write emboss, we select the face, and we click OK. You can see it now. It looks perfect. There is another option where you can put a comment on object. For example, we have this body, what it needs support if you want to print. Especially if you work with other designer, it's more easy to give a comment. For example, this, you just go comment on object. Then you just need to select your object and you write comment. After writing a comment, you can click post so that you will post this comment. So other one can see it. So if you go now down, you can see it. When I click, I can see this object with a comment, and also you can delete that. There is an option, what we call it, capture picture. It's like screenshot. For example, you come back to your sketch, you will capture picture, then you will write sketch 1. After that, you can post, so you can see it down now. So when you finish sketch, you can see it down. So I can take the sketch and work at the same time. So click there, you can see that you can zoom, and also at the same time you can work with your object instead of showing my sketch and hiding it. So I can do things at the same time. There is another option, what you call it, comment on point. So if I select comment and I can put point on the body, then I just take a picture that you take the screenshot where is a point, then you can write comment. For example, here that you are splitting body, that you can print it on 2 separate parts. So now you can see it here. This comment tool, it can help you so much to organize your work. To use this comment tool, first you should to save the design that you can use it. If you are using Fusion free version, you can't save more than 10. It's limited. So you can see you can't save more than 10. So to save more than 10, you just need to go and move in like your editable design to just read only. You just need to click, make it read only, and click, read only. By doing this method, so you can save more than 10. You can see the number here, it's 5 of 10. We can save now design, click OK, now it's saved. If you are creating sketch on plane, let's create circle, put it 100. Then you finish sketch. Then you realize that you create sketch on the wrong plane, so you want to move it to the right plane. You just need to go sketch, click right click, select redefine. Then you will select the plane that you want to redefine that, and you click OK. So now it's done. To redefine your sketch, you should define first your sketch. For example, let's go and edit this sketch. We will put it out from the central. So now you can move that. So if I try now to redefine that, I cannot do that because I should define the first sketch. So how to know that your sketch is defined or no? So there is three ways. First way, that you can look at sketch, there is a pen there. Also there is another that the circle, it's blue. If it's defined, it will be black, and also like you can move it. So if I will fix that and I will add dimension, you can see the color change from blue to black. And also if you look at this sketch, there is a lock there. So if I go back, now you see there is a pen and the color, it had changed to blue. Now it's black and there is a lock, so I can't move it. So now if I click and write redefine sketch, just I show origin, I select, and you can change that. While you are designing in Fusion, you are facing the screen for a long time, and that can affect your eyes. I don't want that to happen to you. You can use anti-blue light glasses that can protect your eyes from blue light. If you are using glasses or not using it, still you can take a break every 30 minutes or 20 minutes. That can help your eyes to blink better and relax. Also, there is another option that can reduce light in Fusion. Just you need to go for display and you will select environment, that you can change the color from white to more darker. That can help your eyes. There is a lot of different colors in an environment. You just need to try and see what's the best for you. Some people it works for them blue, some people it works for them gray. Of course, I don't mean that you buy this glasses what is in design. You can open existing design to new or current design. But if you just want to open only bodies, you don't need to open full design. You just need to go create, then you go drive, select, then you will save that. Then you will select bodies that you want to export. After that you click OK, then you will see it's opening new design. Here we have a little bit problem and we will fix that. If you look at this bodies, if I try to turn it to component, I cannot do that. So you can see there is error there. We should repeat that. It's error. Instead of that, we will create copy. So we click create copy. Then you see there is a new body. So we will create a copy of this, all these bodies. And after that, we can create these copies. We transform it to component. So to component. So we can hide this. Now you can see that all this, it's component, you can move it. And that can help to work with assembly or animation. If you want to add these features like Voronoi, or you want to work with the gears in Fusion, you just need to go utility, then you choose Fusion Store. After selecting that, you will find a lot of features what you can download and use it. Some features it's for free and some features you should pay to download that. There is plenty of features for different use, but just you need to see what the best for you. If you want to add the fillet to the cylinder, you just need to select fillet, then you add number, click OK. Also you can do it by using short key, click F, then you add that. Short keys can make your work much faster. So you can even create your own shortkeys. For example, you go align, there is 3 dots there, you will click, then you put this pin shortcut, select that, then you select that what you will put. So for example, I can put N as short key for align. So then just I click OK. So now if I click N on my keyboard, you can see a line. So I can select that, select that. So now it works. Instead of going searching of it, I can use short key. Now if we come back to modify, we will find a line with the short key N. So you can see it here. Now it looks, you can see N, it's here. And there is another method that you can show this kind of tools on the toolbar. So you just need to go, click these three dots, then pin to toolbar. So after that, you can see it, it's here. So you just need to select and we can use that tool. It's much more easier to find tools when it's in the toolbar. Usually people, they have different style how they work. Some people, they prefer to work in mesh. Some people, they prefer to work in solid. You just need to build a system what it's much easier for you. And that's make it more comfortable to work. If I need to move this cube, I can select from toolbar and I can move that. After that, if I need to repeat same thing, I don't need to go and select from the toolbar. I can easily click from right, then I select repeat. So then I can do that. If I need to repeat that, it's enough for me, just I click right and I move the mouse up, then it will happen. So I don't need to click many times. I did that with a replay, I will show it to you normally. I try to explain for you. So if I click right mouse, if I go to that, I go press. If I go up, I will move. If I go that, I will delete. And then if I go left, I will go back. If I go right, I go front. If I go down, I go sketch. So, but instead of clicking many times, I can do it faster. So just I need to click right and I move it orientation where I want. So for example, right, it go back. You could go front, you can see now, I go back, round. If you move it up, it will repeat what you have done last time. And also if you select and you go down, you will create line. So you can see that I have line that I can use that. So you can finish sketch and do it again. Select face, then just we hold right and go down. You can see there is a line. I can use a line. You don't have to work with that, but just you can try it. If it feel it's easier for you, then you can use it. I hope this video can help you to design better. We get now to the end of the video. Thank you. See you again.